Chevrolet Sonic 2012 to 2020. The front right headlight passenger side fuse is located in the underhood fuse box in position 33, rated at 10 amps. If the wire inside is bare, the fuse needs to be replaced. In my case, as you can see, the fuse is intact.